These are the tools you'll need to assemble your storage shed. Please review all assembly steps before beginning construction and review the parts list to make sure all parts are included. To ensure proper assembly and performance, your storage shed needs to be built on a solid, level surface. Concrete or a treated wood platform is recommended. Place floor panel A onto your level surface. Position wall panel B on the left side of your floor panel and align with the slots in the floor panel. Push downward until you hear a click. Position wall panel D in the back, ensuring the dovetail joints align properly. Connect the dovetails, but do not click into the floor at this time. Position wall panel C on the other side. Align with the slots in the floor panel, and push downward until you hear the click. Align the dovetails of panel D with panel C. Then push panel D downward to connect to the floor until you hear the click. With the roof panel on the ground, align header F to the bottom of roof panel E. Secure into place with 4 AA screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. With the help of another person, place the roof header assembly E and F on top of the walls with header F towards the front of the shed. Install left door panel G by inserting the lower hinge pin into the left floor socket. Lift the edge of the roof enough to insert the top hinge pin into position of the pocket in the header. Repeat these steps for the right door panel H. From inside the shed, secure the roof with 4 AA screws in the front corners. Have another person hold down the roof when installing the screws. Then, secure the roof to the wall panels with 10 AA screws while the other person holds down the edge of the roof of each location during screw installation. Secure the wall panels to the floor panel with 6 AA screws. Install the handle T to left door G and secure with 4 AA screws. Then install lock hasp X into the slot on door G. Install the other handle T to right door H. Congratulations, your 4 foot by 2.5 foot storage building is complete and ready for use.